Madam Acting CG, senior staff members of KRA, staff members, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am here today to undertake a very important personal obligation, which I believe by virtue of the office I hold ought to be made visible to all Kenyans as a signal of my commitment to fulfill my duties as a citizen, as a leader, and as President of Kenya. Let me state for the record that I have always endeavored to be fully tax compliant and to remit my taxes due to government in full, and I try always in time. This exercise is not a mere dramatization or other empty public performance. It is something I believe in wholeheartedly, and it is something I cherish. It is my duty, and indeed the duty of every citizen of Kenya, to pay their share of taxes to enable the government to provide essential public services and goods. This is the only way to lay the foundation for the pursuit and achievement of economic growth, sustainable development, and prosperity that we can all share. Our taxes build our roads and the entire national transport network, build and run our hospitals, our schools, courts of law, and provide defense and national security services. They also finance social safety nets for the vulnerable around our country. Kenyans cannot afford all these services on their own, and the very few who can afford some pay a very high price per unit. Public goods demonstrate the advantages of living in a community, and paying taxes enables us to finance the provision of this service. And let me mention that the progress of society is not measured by the few who can afford. It is not measured by the wealth of the few. It is measured by the quality of public goods available to everybody. It is measured by the quality of the roads we can build, the quality of education that we have, the quality of hospitals that we have, the quality of hiring an even greater number to join the tax-paying bracket. The more the shoulders, the lighter the burden. We must therefore stand together in this endeavor and do our part to keep our country on the path to self-sufficiency and the path of greatness. Although taxes are mandatory and unavoidable, a government that seeks to mobilize tax revenues must inspire confidence that tax administration will be fair, effective, efficient, and that the allocation and expenditure of the finances will be undertaken transparently and accountably in pursuit of agreed public causes and public services and public goods. This means that the Revenue Administration Agency must be professional, efficient, fair, transparent, and most importantly, accountable. It also means that the government is expected to be